Hello and welcome to Luxscape. In this video, we will be giving you a full tour and finish off with an honest, unbiased review of the brand new SLS Playa Mujeres. Be sure to stay till the end to see if it's worth the stay. SLS Playa Mujeres, which opened in November 2024, marks the brand's first all-inclusive resort. Situated on the pristine Playa Mujeres beach, just about 30 minutes from Cancun International Airport, it offers a luxury experience with 18 dining options, 6 bars, 4 pools, and exclusive amenities. Let's begin by taking a closer look at the accommodations. Each room blends playful luxury with Caribbean charm. Whether for a quick getaway or an extended stay, you'll find spaces designed for relaxation and indulgence, surrounded by impressive views. Rooms feature king or queen beds, stylish living areas, and private balconies, some with swim-out access or panoramic marina and ocean views. Thoughtful touches like plush robes or Tajia bath amenities and Lavazza coffee makers make every stay feel extra special. For more space and elevated perks, the suites are hard to resist. Options like the Euphoria Suite deliver bright modern interiors, king beds, and generous balconies, while the Luxuriate 2-bedroom suite and the Envy 3-bedroom suite features expansive living and dining areas, perfect for families or groups. The Envy Suite, in particular, stands out with its oversized terrace and panoramic sea views. For the ultimate stay, the SLS Elite Collection offers private beach access, a dedicated check-in lounge, priority dining and spa reservations, plus upgraded rooms featuring rooftop hot tubs, outdoor showers, and scenic terraces. No matter which room you choose, all accommodations are thoughtfully equipped with high-speed Wi-Fi, rainfall showers, stocked minibars, and TVs. From sunrise coffees on your balcony to sunset cocktails by the sea, SLS invites you to make every moment memorable in a setting that's as stylish as it is relaxing. Now that we've explored the rooms, let's dive into the food and drink options available. At SLS Playa Mujeres, dining is more than just a meal. It's a vibrant part of the experience. Start your culinary journey at Filia, where authentic Italian dishes meet Mediterranean flair, inspired by generations of family recipes. If you're in the mood for shareable plates, Clio offers a lively Mediterranean Middle Eastern menu, ideal for social dining. For a true taste of Mexico, Caracol serves up coastal-inspired seafood and flame-cooked specialties in a peaceful environment. The market is the place for variety, boasting a global buffet with local flavors for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Kids can enjoy fun snacks and mocktails at Bungalow or Barracuda, designed especially for young palates. Looking for something more grown-up? Privilege delivers an adults-only poolside vibe that shifts from chill mornings to vibrant afternoons. At night, you can retreat to Union Steakhouse for juicy cuts or enjoy classic French-inspired dishes at Brasserie Maxine. The resort also spoils you with standout bars. Golden Hour blends artisanal coffee and cocktails, while Monkey Bar is great for a laid-back drink. Hudson Tavern channels NYC sports bar energy, and Smoke and Mirrors offers a sultry cigar lounge vibe. Whether you're sipping smoothies at Verdi, grabbing pastries from the press, or indulging in 24-hour in-room dining, SLS Playa Mujeres makes every bite and every sip unforgettable. Next, let's take a look at all the exciting activities and experiences awaiting you during your stay. SLS Playa Mujeres is more than just a luxury beach escape. It's an all-inclusive playground for relaxation, adventure, and unforgettable moments. For those craving sun and splash, there are 4 distinct swimming pools, including a lively adults-only day club and a family-friendly pool with a dedicated splash zone. Of course, the real showstopper is the secluded beachfront, where you can soak up the Mexican sunshine or dive into the sea with non-motorized water sports like kayaking, stand-up paddleboarding, and Hobie Cat sailing. On land, there's a packed, daily schedule of activities to suit every mood. You can challenge friends to a game of beach volleyball or boccia, join a group cycling or fitness class, or embrace your competitive side with cornhole and blackjack. If you want something more laid back, check out the art demos, dance classes, or join a guided Crocos walking tour. Families are especially well catered for. The Coati Kids Club offers creative workshops, games, and even DJ sessions to entertain and inspire young minds. Teens can claim their own space in the Modern Teen Lounge, packed with gaming, social zones, and activities designed just for them. Still making up your mind? Expedia makes it easy to book with flexibility. With their Reserve Now, Pay Later option and a full refund policy on many properties, you can secure your spot today and adjust your plans later if needed. Check the links below for more details and start planning when you're ready. For grown-ups seeking some pampering, the Ciel Spa is an oasis of calm. Here, skilled therapists provide everything from deep tissue massages and facials to luxurious couples treatments, thermal baths, a serene outdoor pool, and beauty services round out the perfect self-care day. If you're a golf enthusiast, you won't want to miss the stunning Playa Mujeres golf course. Designed by legend Greg Norman, this par 72 course is a scenic challenge framed by white sand beaches and lush mangroves. You can even fine-tune your swing with premium rental clubs and coaching from golf pros. When the sun sets, the resort comes alive with a dynamic entertainment program. Expect everything from outdoor movie nights under the stars to electric DJ sets, live shows, cabaret performances, and even fire dancers. Whether you want to party or just unwind with a cocktail, the vibe is always right. And when it comes to wellness, SLS Playa Mujeres makes it easy to stay active even while indulging. The sports club is kitted out with modern gym facilities and hosts expert-led group fitness classes, from sunrise yoga to high-energy workouts. Now that we've covered what SLS Playa Mujeres has to offer, we want to share our honest review of the resort. And before we dive in, it's important to mention that all of the reviews on our channel are completely independent and unbiased. We have not been paid or sponsored to promote any properties, meaning you can trust that what we share. If you find this video helpful, we'd really appreciate your support by hitting that subscribe button. It helps us continue creating content like this for future travelers. So, let's talk about SLS Playa Mujeres. During our research, we noticed the resort holds an impressive 4.7 out of 5 rating on TripAdvisor. That's especially noteworthy because new properties often take time to earn higher scores as they work through growing pains. For SLS Playa Mujeres to already be near a perfect rating is a fantastic sign. Let's start with the positives. One theme that kept showing up in reviews was the outstanding service. Many guests mentioned staff members by name, which tells you just how personal and attentive the service truly is. Another highlight was the food. Guests often commented that it was some of the best they've ever had at any all-inclusive in Mexico. Lastly, people couldn't stop raving about the views, the luxurious and modern ambiance, and the overall cleanliness of the property. Of course, no resort is without its small quirks, and SLS Playa Mujeres is no exception. One thing to keep in mind is that the in-room televisions aren't smart TVs. So if you're hoping to wind down with your favorite Netflix series or stream movies directly, you'll want to pack a streaming device. Another point worth noting is that the Elite Club, while offering elevated perks and access to exclusive areas, is still designed to be family-friendly. That means even in these premium spaces, you're likely to encounter children enjoying the same facilities. So if you're envisioning a completely adults-only escape, it's something to factor in. That said, these minor details didn't seem to dampen the experience for most guests. In fact, many wrapped up their reviews by saying they would absolutely return, a true testament to the resort's exceptional service and overall quality. It's always a good sign when people are already planning their next stay before they've even checked out, and that certainly seems to be the case here. That's a wrap on our SLS Playa Mujeres tour. For rates, packages, and booking info, check the links below. If you're still deciding, watch our top all-inclusive resorts in Cancun video for more options. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel guides and reviews. Thanks for watching and happy travels.